Today's essay on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, who is the very famous in India as the father of nation or Bapu, is a great Indian freedom fighter. He was born on 2nd of October in 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. The full name of the Bapu is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great and outstanding personality of the India who is still inspiring the people in the country as well as abroad through his legacy of greatness, idealness and noble life. He was a great believer in non-violence and unity of people of all religions, which he followed all through his struggle for independence. He started a satyagraha movement against the British rules. Other big movements started by the Bapu for the independence of India are No Cooperation Movement, Quiet India Movement, etc. He was not born as great, but he made himself great through his hard struggles and work. His whole life story is a great inspiration for us. As a great freedom fighter, he got arrested and sent to jail many times, but he continued fighting against British rules for the justice of Indians. Mahatma Gandhi contributed tirelessly and selflessly in India's freedom struggle for independence. After his lots of struggles with many Indians, finally he became successful in making India an independent country on 15th of August 1946. He also worked hard for the removing the untouchability in the Indian society and named untouchables as a Harijan means the people of Gandhiji was a very simple man. Gandhiji was assassinated on January 13, 1948. The birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated on 2nd October as the Gandhi Jayanti across India. This day is also observed across the world as International Day of Non-Violence.